The Diversity in the Law Award honours an organisation or individual who has worked to raise awareness of our social and justice systems among new migrants and the rights and responsibilities of citizenship. This year, the finalists are In Touch, Multicultural Centre Against Family Violence. Revolutionary in its approach, In Touch In-House Legal Centre is the first multicultural women's legal centre in Australia to specialise in family violence matters. At In Touch, the emotional and legal issues associated with family violence are responded to concurrently by in-house lawyers and social workers, working together to provide culturally appropriate care. Women do not have to retell their stories over and over, meaning more women persevere and seek access to justice. In Touch provides a cultural brief for lawyers with important information that relates specifically to the woman and their case. The results speak for themselves. Under their care, more migrant women have stayed the course, including those most disadvantaged, women who are isolated, have limited English skills and fear the legal system. Queensland Eidfest Association. Among the Muslim, Sikh and Hindu communities of the Indian subcontinent, domestic violence can be a taboo topic. Family honour and religious obligations can make some women very reluctant to speak out, rendering the community powerless to act. In response, Queensland Eidfest Association began to break the silence, developing a messaging campaign that used the power of religion and cultural tradition to incite change. The campaign saw religious leaders from each community proclaim the problem and take a moral stance, imploring the community to act against the scourge of family violence. After hearing sermons from their leaders, many women have been empowered to seek help, and the talk among men is changing. Where once there was silence, now there is condemnation. Women's Legal Centre, ACT. For migrant women, getting a divorce can be one of the most daunting experiences. For many, they will be the first in their family and the first in their community to do so. Recognising the extra complexity for migrant women, the Women's Legal Centre ACT has established the Called Women's Divorce Clinic, a network of pro bono services offered by private family law solicitors. The network not only assists women in crisis, but also works to increase understanding in their communities. Among migrant women, the clinic has been a godsend, helping them obtain independence and regain social freedoms. A particular focus of the clinic has been women experiencing domestic violence, where divorce can be necessary to stop ongoing abuse and is a step toward healing.